Hey yo, so we're out here right now. We just let the steers out, right, Mateo? We clear all this area here, and we also got some fencing around over here, you know, around the whole property. And then that's their mud lot in there. They come out through here, and then now they're gonna pasture out here for the rest of the day. Eat all the weeds and whatever's out there. I'm thinking about mowing some of this stuff, but that's what they're gonna be doing today, just grazing out here.
That poop.
Yeah, that's all cow manure and horse manure. I know, we put a little dirt in there. And then yesterday we organized the trailers here. Put the trailers on this side, close it, put all equipment. All this equipment is gonna go back over there, all the way in the back. That's where all this equipment is gonna go. That's why we built in those sheds back there on the back, to put all the equipment away from the snow, rain, sun.
What is
those shelters? That's Jamie. So all this stuff, we'll put it over there away where it's not in the way. We'll just keep the tractor, the mower.
The poop.
Yeah, let me move the mower over here on this side. So this is what we got going on, everybody. Just keeping up with all the projects and trying to do things right here. So definitely give you guys an update later and let you guys see what we got going on here on the farm. Thank you for watching, and follow us and subscribe. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Checking all the fences, make sure nothing's broken. All the lines are good, right? Because deer pass through here, Mateo, and sometimes they'll break that fence. They already broke it once. So we got to make sure that we fix it, so when we let the steers out, they won't come out on the street, you know? No, be careful. Like this. No, be careful, be careful. Like this. Everything looks pretty good.